Hello dear children, good morning. Children, today I am going to start with the hard words, meanings, rhyming words and question and answers of your poem I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud. So all of you open the poem I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud written by William Wordsworth. See the hard words, children. See the first one. Daffodils. 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 Second one, fluttering. 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 Third one, tossing. 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 Fourth one is sparkling. 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 Fifth one, gazed. 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 Again I am going to repeat hard words. Children, you to read along with me. Daffodils. Daffodils. Fluttering. Fluttering. Tossing. Tossing. Sparkling. Sparkling. Gazed. Gazed. Now see meanings. First one, vales. 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 Vales means valleys. 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 Vales means valleys. Second one, host. 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 Host means many in number. Many in number. Third one is sprightly. Sprightly. Sprightly means energetic and lively. Energetic. Energetic and lively. Lively. Sprightly means energetic and lively. Fourth one, jocund. Jocund. Jocund means merry, cheerful. Merry. Merry. Cheerful. Cheerful. Jocund means merry, cheerful. Fifth one, oft. Oft means often. Often. Sixth one, vacant. Vacant means not thinking of anything serious. Not thinking. Thinking of anything. Anything serious. Seventh one is pensive. Pensive means deep in thought. Deep in thought. Thought. Eighth one is bliss. Bliss. Bliss means complete happiness. Complete. Complete. Happiness. Complete happiness. Ninth one is solitude. Solitude. Solitude means being alone. So, I am going to repeat meanings again, children. You to read along with me. Vales. Valleys. Host. Many in number. Sprightly. Energetic and lively. Jocund. Merry, cheerful. Often. Oft. Often. Vacant. Not thinking of anything serious. Pensive. Deep in thought. Bliss. Complete happiness. Solitude. Being alone. Now see rhyming words, children. Crowd. 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 Crowd means loud, proud, stroud. Crowd means loud, L-O-U-D, loud, P-R-O-U-D, proud, S-T-R-O-U-D, stroud. Second one, breeze. Breeze means freeze, sneeze, wheeze. B-R-E-E-Z-E, breeze. F-R-E-E-Z-E, freeze. S-N-E-E-Z-E, sneeze. W-H-E-E-Z-E, wheeze. Breeze, freeze, sneeze, wheeze. Third one, shine, dine, pine, wine. S-H-I-N-E, shine. D-I-N-E, dine. P-I-N-E, pine. V-I-N-E, wine. Shine, dine, pine, wine. Shine, dine, pine, wine. Fourth one, dance, glance, lance, trance. D-A-N-C-E, dance. G-L-A-N-C-E, glance. L-A-N-C-E, lance. T-R-A-N-C-E, trance. Glee, bee, lee, flee. G-L-E-E, glee. B-E-E, bee. L-E-E, lee. F-L-E-E, flee. Sixth one, mood, rood, wood, snowed. M-O-O-D, mood. R-O-O-D, rood. W-O-O-D, wood. S-N-O-O-D, snood. Children, again I am going to repeat rhyming words. You to read along with me. Crowd, loud, proud, stroud. Breeze, freeze, sneeze, wheeze. Shine, dine, pine, wine. Dance, glance, lance, trance. Glee, bee, lee, flee. Mood, rood, wood, snood. Now see question and answers, children. See the first one. Why does the poet compare the daffodils to stars? The poet compare the daffodils to stars because the daffodils stretch in never-ending line like the stars in the galaxy. So the stars in the galaxy are never-ending, right? So he is comparing the daffodils with the stars like the never-ending line like the stars in the galaxy. Moreover, like stars, the daffodils shine as they are golden and also twinkle like the stars as they flutter due to the breeze. So, moreover, like stars, the daffodils shine as they are golden and also twinkle like the stars as they flutter due to the breeze. Second one, where were the daffodils growing? The daffodils were growing beside the lake under the tree. The daffodils were growing beside the lake under the tree. Third one, what are the objects the poet compares with the daffodils? So what are the objects that the poet compares with the daffodils here? The poet compares the daffodils with the dancing waves and shining and twinkling stars. The objects are dancing waves and shining and twinkling stars. Fourth question, what is the theme of this poem? The healing and refreshing effect of nature is the theme of this poem. So the theme of this poem is the healing and refreshing effect of nature. Fifth question, what does the words crowd and host suggest? The words crowd and host suggest a multitude or a large number of daffodils. It suggests the sudden with which the poet comes upon the daffodils. So children, these are all the question and answers, rhyming words, meanings and hard words of the poem I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud. Children, You all of you write down, note down each one time in your homework books. Okay. Bye children. Thank you.